Verify that lines given by r is equals to 1 minus lambda I plus lambda minus 2j plus 3 minus 2 lambda k, and r vector equals mu plus 1 I cap plus 2 mu minus 1 j cap minus 2 mu plus 1 k cap are skew lines. Hence, find the shortest distance between the lines. So we will solve this problem. So let me rewrite the lines as r vector equals I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, then plus lambda. I'm just separating lambda and lambda part separate, j cap minus 2 k cap from the given equation. For this equation of line, I'm just separating it, rewriting it. Okay, then r vector is, for the second one, r vector is I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus 2 k cap. It's minus 2 k cap, minus 2 k cap. Then 1i, 1j, 1k minus. It is all minus. J and k is minus. Then it is mu, 2 mu and 2. Certainly I plus 2j minus 2k. So just after writing the lines, we will find the values of r vector equals a vector plus lambda b vector. Then also r and r vector equals a vector plus mu b vector. So let us write the values of a and b. A vector equals I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. Then b vector is, I'll write it 1 and 2, 1 and 1, and this I'll write it as 2, 2. Then b vector is minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Then a vector is, a2 is I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Then b2 vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Now we got the values now. We will substitute these values. We'll first find. Now we have to
Here,
find, we'll just find first a2 vector minus a1 vector. Certainly a2 is what? We have I cap minus j cap minus k cap minus of I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So if you do this, we get I cap minus I cap, then minus j cap plus 2j cap minus k cap minus 3k cap. So that will be 0 plus j cap, then minus 4k cap. That is j cap minus 4k cap will be a2 minus a1. Now you find a2 vector minus a1 vector. We got the answer as j cap minus 4k cap. Now we will find b2 b1 vector, b1 vector into b2 vector, b1 vector into b2 vector cross product. So it is I cap j cap k cap, that is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 2 minus 2. So now simplifying this we get, you will be taking plus minus plus, first row first column, first column. If you take, it will be plus I cap, then cross multiply, it will be minus 2 minus of, minus and minus become plus, minus of minus 2 2s are 4, then equals sorry, it's minus j. Then if you take j, you should leave that row line and that column. So it will be minus 2 minus 1, it will be minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2. Then we have 1 into minus 2, then plus into minus of minus 2. Then you have last one plus k cap. That will leave that line in that row, you get minus 1 into 2. That will be minus 2 minus of 1 1 is a 1. So here further if you simplify, you get plus I cap equals minus 2 plus 4 minus j cap equals 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus k cap equals minus 3. So if you remove this, minus 2 plus 1 is 2, 2 I cap 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 j cap, then minus 3 k cap. So we get this answer for B1 vector into B2 vector. Now we have to consider A2 vector dot minus B1 vector into B1 vector into B2 vector. That is, we have to consider the dot product. Dot, not cross, dot product. So what will be the dot product of this two? We have to just take the numbers what they have. That is, we have 0, 0, comma, 1, comma, minus 4 into, I'll take 2, minus 4 and minus 3. Just multiply. 0 into 2 is 0, dot product. 0 into 2 is 0. Then plus into minus is minus, 1 4s are 4. Minus into minus is plus. Plus 4 3s are 12. Now if you simplify this, you get minus 4 plus 12 will be 8. 8. So we got this answer for as 8. Now we will write 8 where 8 is not equal to 0. If 8 is not equal to 0, here lines will not be intersecting. That is, the lines will not intersect because it is not equal to 0. So the lines are skew. If they are not intersecting, they are skew lines. Now shortest distance equals mod of A vector, A2 vector minus A1 vector into dot product of B1 vector cross B2 vector divided by B1 vector cross B2 vector mod. So that will be above one is 8. Then what will be this? Root of, what is the value of B1 cross this one? We have 2, then minus 4, minus 3. Just square them. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9. So you get 8 divided by root of 29. So this is the shortest distance for the given skew lines.